Direct bag it. Bag leaves in a fraction of the time. Everyone looks forward to fall colors. But no one looks forward to leaf pickup. Does the sight of a leaf-filled yard make you cringe, knowing that your weekends will be filled with backbreaking work? And filling those paper yard bags? What a pain. Many have tried using their mower to improve the task, but undersized grass catchers fill up so quickly. And again, filling those paper yard bags is a struggle. The grass catcher doesn't fit, you end up spilling, and you have a big mess to clean up all over again. Wouldn't it be better if there was a system that could discharge directly into paper yard bags? Well, that system now exists. Introducing the new and patented Direct Bag It Power Leaf Bagger, the one and only walk-behind system that collects, shreds, and discharges leaves directly into yard bags, saving significant time and effort. Loading a yard bag could not be easier. Simply roll up the fabric chute and squeeze its ring. Insert into the bag opening and release the ring. Cinch the leaf chute to the discharge. Start the system, and you're on your way to bagging leaves in a fraction of the time. The Direct Bag It Power Leaf Bagger is a leaf-devouring machine. Check out those shredded leaves flying directly into the yard bag. If you have ever considered a leaf vacuum to tackle your leaf bagging problems, you should consider the Power Leaf Bagger instead. For one, the Power Leaf Bagger is cutting your grass while it collects leaves, providing additional value beyond what a leaf vacuum can provide. And while leaf vacuums are great for pickup, they're not designed for emptying or transferring into yard bags. With the Power Leaf Bagger, there's nothing to transfer. Simply remove the bag, tamp down the overfill, and remove the leaf chute for a fully filled yard bag. Reattach the leaf chute to a new bag, and you're back at it. The Direct Bag It Power Leaf Bagger has a purpose-built deck made of heavy-duty fabricated steel. The front wheels are mounted with swivel casters for easy maneuvering, while all 4 large-diameter wheels feature ball bearings that provide smooth rolling over your outdoor terrain. Lap by lap, you'll be amazed how what was once a seemingly impossible leaf bagging task is accomplished quickly and efficiently. You will gain back the time and energy that you need to carry on with what really matters, like time with family, outdoor recreation, or just relaxing watching football. The Direct Bag It Power Leaf Bagger is designed and made in the USA and is a capable year-round system since it cuts and bags your grass as well. Why clutter your garage with a yard vacuum and a mower when this single system can do the job of both? Please click on the link below to learn what you can do to get your own and be on your way to bagging leaves in a fraction of the time.